Hello and welcome to a special lecture series on the principles of microeconomics. In the previous lecture, I taught you how to calculate elasticity on a demand curve, to be very precise, a linear demand curve. So, in today's class, we will see how elasticity is calculated when there is a curve, when there is a curve which is not a linear line, which is not a straight line, it is a curve. When the demand curve is a curve itself, then how do you calculate the elasticity of demand? So let us recap what we had done yesterday. So what we did is, we had quantity demanded on the x axis, we had price on the y axis. This is the x axis, this is the y axis, and here then I took a point P. I extended my demand curve to meet these points, and then we calculated elasticity at this point was equal to 1. Here elasticity was less than 1, here elasticity was greater than 1. At this juncture, elasticity was equal to infinity, and at this juncture, elasticity was equal to 0. So on x axis it was 0, on y axis it was infinity, midpoint it was 1, between midpoint and the x axis it was less than 1. Any point in this stretch, will be elasticity will be less than 1, and any point in this stretch, which is midpoint and the y axis, elasticity will be greater than 1. So I hope you can recollect this. So now, given the same underlying idea and a demand curve which is not a straight line, let us look at how elasticity can be calculated at various points. Let us assume that this is our demand curve. So it is a curve, as you can see. So whenever you have a curve and you want to understand elasticity, you want to understand anything about that curve, or to be very precise, if at all you want to understand slopes at particular points on the curve, what you do is you draw a concept which is very broadly used, is called as drawing a tangent. So here what I'm doing is I'm drawing a tangent at, let us say this is my point A, and then there's one more point where I want to calculate my my elasticity, let us say a point B. Let us say point A and point B are the 2 points on the demand curve. On the demand curve DD, let us DD be our demand curve. So what we'll write here is DD is the demand curve. A and B are 2 points on the demand curve. 2 points on the demand curve. A and B are the 2 different points on the demand curve. Now what we are doing is, first what I did is capital T1 is the first tangent which I draw at point A, and small t1 is the tangent, the second tangent which I draw at point B. Now to calculate elasticity at this point, E is equal to, I hope you remember the formula, that is the lower segment divided by the upper segment. This was our usual formula to calculate elasticity. Now what is the lower segment here? The lower segment is AT1. So elasticity at A will be given by the distance AT1 divided by the distance AT. This is the elasticity. Similarly, at point B, elasticity at point B. So let us look at elasticity at point B. How do you calculate that? The small t1. So it is this lower distance divided by the upper distance. So lower distance is BT1 divided by the upper distance, which is BT. So this is how you calculate elasticity. I hope you can see it from the visually, you can see it from the graph that elasticity at this point will be always greater as compared to elasticity at this point B. This is it from my side for today's lecture. Thank you so much.